Good day, guys, from Denmark. Today we are standing next to a harbor and we got a project of capturing a 3D model of this harbor in order to be able to measure the places and how much space each boat has and how to divide the spaces. Okay, very interesting project. I've never done such a project before, but let's see how it goes and let's plan the route. Okay, so before we start flying, I want to plan the route. We're gonna create an area route with the DJI Matrice 4E here on the remote controller. So our first job is to connect RTK. This is very important because with RTK, the map is much more precise. So we go to settings, we go to network and internet, we go to iPhone, and you connect your phone or other device and it says connected. That's a very good sign. Then we go back to DJI Pilot 2 and go to the camera view and check RTK and it says the green sign connected. Okay, this is great. So now we are able to plan the mission. Okay, so first we go to routes up in the corner. We click plus, we click area route, and now we can see the harbor on the map. So we want to capture the entire harbor. So we go ahead and select a polygon. That's it. Okay, and then we click the blue button here in the corner, OK, and we say oblique. And first we have to lower the altitude significantly. We can say 30 meters. Advanced settings, side overlap 80%. Okay. So you can see the map is ready. Now we're ready to take off and the drone will execute the mission. So let's get started. Okay, so the flight route took a couple of minutes and after that we directly uploaded the images to 13D.ai. You can use any other software. This is a pretty simple operation, just an Orthophoto, so any software would do. But we decided to use 13D.ai, and here you can see the final output. We have a very accurate 2D map. We have a great overview of the entire harbor, and we can also go in, click on the images and see specific areas of the 2D model in even greater detail. And one of the most important features here, and also the purpose why we captured this harbor, is the ability to take measurements. As you can see, now we can measure exactly the square footage of every boat parking, if I can say so. And this is very valuable and it's a much faster and more effective way to measure and plan where the boat should park and what should be done in the harbor. So that was it, guys. Thank you very much.